Hello, Liliana. Keep playing. Oh, wow.
Well, that's
It's
good.
very, definite.
Oh, yeah.
She's a Beethoven.
You're the next Beethoven. You're the next Ludwig van.
Which one was deaf?
Show me. Show me. Oh, nice.
Ooh.
Oh, you can play this.
Beethoven deaf? Who was deaf?
Beethoven was deaf later on in life.
I thought he went deaf really early, like at
What a little genius. You want to play a
Very
little bit more
good.
there? And she can make... Maybe it needs a little backbeat. Ready?
Yeah. This is kind of catchy. You can play music. We have to send this to Chrissy because she always says, "Oh, she's going to be a piano player with those long fingers." So I like to see her playing piano.
Show me what you got there. Do it again. She was doing it for a really long time.
Come on. Don't you want to play piano? Good girl.
Ooh, yeah, I hear it. Chopping broccoli. All right. That's enough.